Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is a special series on daily news review. Before moving any further, do hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you don't miss any updates. Let's see what is in the news. India's first underwater tunnel in Kolkata under the Hooghly River will be made fully functional by 2023. The 16.6 kilometer long corridor will connect Howrah on the west and the Salt Lake City on the east of the Hooghly River. Varanasi has been selected as the SCO regional's first tourism and cultural capital. India will host the SCO summit next year. The Shanghai Cooperation Organization was formed on 15 June 2001 with headquarters at Beijing. It is an 8-member economic and security bloc consisting of China, Russia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, India, and Pakistan. PV Sindhu got another feather on her cap. She defeated Wang Ziyi of China and won her first women's single title of Singapore Open badminton tournament. 21 years old Aishwarya Pratap Singh Tomar has won gold medal in the men's 50-meter rifle 3 positions event in the ISSF World Cup in Changwon, Korea. He belongs to the Khargone district of Madhya Pradesh. After serving for a glorious period of 35 years, the submarine INS Sindhu Dhwaj is now decommissioned from the Indian Navy. The Assam Chief Minister Hemant Biswa Sharma and his Arunachal Pradesh counterpart Pema Khandu penned the Namsai Declaration for minimizing the interstate boundary dispute involving 123 villages. They have constituted 12 regional committees, each covering the districts on either side of the boundary for joint verification of the 123 villages. The committee would submit its first tranche of report by August 15. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the Naval Innovation and Indigenization Organization NIIO seminar Swavlamban. As a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, NIIO is conjunction with the Defense Innovation Organization aims at including at least 75 new indigenous technology and products into the Indian Navy. This collaborative project is named SPRINT Sprint, that is supporting pole vaulting in R&D through IDEX, NIIO, and TDAC. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination. Seats are very limited, so hurry up and book your success. Thank you for watching our video. And do not forget to hit like button, comment your valuable feedback. Also subscribe our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.